morning, my dear children. Welcome to the online science class. So, my dear children, how are you all? I hope you are fine and you are safe. Okay. So, I have sent the notes on Monday. Have you all copied the notes in your notebook? Yes. Okay. Very good. Only few questions are there to copy. I will send it today. Copy it. After that, you can start revising your portion. Okay. Then the writing works is almost completed. You can start learning your portions. Okay. Then in the previous class we have revised up to chapter 5, right? Chapter 5, chapter 6, chapter 7 we have completed, and chapter 1 and 2 already you have learned and you have written the home test, right? So start learning chapter 7. Okay, so in next week I will conduct a home test on chapter 7. Okay, chapter 7. Start preparing for the exam. Okay, so if you have any doubts you can call me or you can text me privately. Okay, or else if you have any doubt we will discuss in the Zoom interaction class. Okay, so shall we start the class? Okay, so take your textbook and take a pencil along with you. Okay, we will read it and we will mark it. Okay, so take your textbook and we are going to start chapter 4, air and its uses. Okay, so turn to page number 68. Okay, page number 68. Okay, so have you all taken? Okay, then start with first line. Air is a mixture of gases such as oxygen and carbon dioxide. Okay, air is a mixture of gases such as oxygen and carbon dioxide. Okay, then Earth is covered by a blanket of air known as atmosphere. Okay, Earth is covered by a blanket of air known as atmosphere. Okay, then you should learn the 5 layers of atmosphere. What are they? Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere or ionosphere, and exosphere. Okay, then first one, troposphere. Okay, so troposphere is the first layer, right? So it extends up to 7 kilometer to 17 kilometer above the earth. Okay, and then weather change happens in this layer of atmosphere. Okay, it extends up to 7 kilometer to 17 kilometer above the earth. Weather changes happens in this layer of the atmosphere. Okay, then stratosphere. So above the stratosphere, above the troposphere there is a stratosphere. Okay, so stratosphere's outer layer is we call that as ozone layer. Okay, so which is very important, ozone layer. Okay, then what's the use of ozone layer? Ozone layer plays an important role in protecting the earth from harmful UV or ultraviolet rays of the sun. Okay, then airplanes and jets travel in the stratosphere. Okay, did you mark? Then next page about mesosphere. Okay, so meso means middle. Okay, then meteor showers are seen in this layer of atmosphere. Meteor showers are seen in the layer of atmosphere. Okay, then thermosphere, which is otherwise known as ionosphere. I will ask, what's the other name of thermosphere? It is ionosphere. Okay, then radio waves are reflected from ionosphere, which helps in transmitting radio and TV programs live from any part of the world. Okay, radio waves are reflected from ionosphere, which helps in transmitting radio and TV programs live from any part of the world. Okay, then can you able to see that? Okay, then exosphere. Okay, exosphere is the outer space. Okay, which is the outer space. Then man-made satellites such as weather satellites and communication satellite orbits in the exosphere. Okay, man-made satellites such as weather satellite and communication satellite orbits are in the exosphere. Okay, then composition of air, here oxygen helps in the process of burning. Okay, then carbon dioxide acts as a good agent to put off the fire. Okay, it is a good agent which helps to put out the fire. Okay, okay, then moving to the next page, nitrogen. Okay, nitrogen is essential for the plants to grow. Okay, then learn this. Okay, nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, carbon dioxide 0.03%, other gases. I will ask, what is the composition of nitrogen in air? Dash 78%. So the question will be like that. What is the composition of nitrogen in air? Okay, so learn the percentage. Okay, then this is the properties of air. So air has occupies space, air has weight, then air exerts pressure, and air can be compressed. Okay, then importance of air, moving air is called wind. Okay, then next page, air pollution. Okay, so harmful substances are called pollutants. So what are the pollutants mean? Factories, vehicles, refrigerator, air conditioner, let out harmful gases that pollute the atmosphere. Okay, so then these lines are related to general question, so just read it. Okay, just read it. So it is general. Okay, so we should use zero emission vehicle, which is good for our environment, so we can use zero emission vehicle. So you can learn that. Okay, okay, then okay, next we will discuss the one word question, book back one word question. First, choose the correct answer. Earth is covered by a blanket of air known as atmosphere. Then airplanes and jet travel in the which layer? Stratosphere. Then dash is immediately above mesosphere. It is ionosphere. Then plant gets nitrogen from the air. Okay, then an object that has weights will also exert pressure. Okay, then the dash is the first layer of the atmosphere where weather changes occurs. Which is the first layer? Troposphere is the first layer, right? So it is the first layer of the atmosphere where weather changes occurs. Okay, then dash lies above the troposphere. Stratosphere. Okay, stratosphere lies above the troposphere. Then next page, meteor showers are seen in the mesosphere. Okay, mesosphere. Then sound dash travels through air. Sound is a wave, right? Sound waves travel through air. Then vehicles let out harmful gases such as carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. Okay, carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. Okay, don't forget that. Carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. Then troposphere, yeah, weather changes happen. Then ozone, ozone, which is ozone. It is stratosphere is called ozone. Then mesosphere, middle one, right? Then ionosphere, radio waves. Exosphere, man-made satellites, orbits. Okay, so this is enough today. Up to fourth chapter, fifth chapter, sixth chapter, seventh chapter we have completed, right? So first 3 chapter we will discuss in the next class. Okay, so if you have any doubt, we will discuss it in the Zoom interaction class. Attend the Zoom interaction class. Okay, or else if you have any doubt, you can call me or you can text me. Okay, so we will meet in the next class. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you.